Everyone, welcome back to Ain't Afraid of No Tech. I am your host Kyle, and this is our introduction to Discord. Now, as with everything else we do on the web, the first step is to create an account. And in order to do that, you just go over to the website at discord.com, and you're presented with a couple options. Now, Discord comes in three flavors. You can use it in a browser window, you can download an app to use on your desktop, or you can download an app for your phone. Now, to start us off all on the same level playing field, we're going to open it in the browser. So just click down, open Discord in browser. It's going to ask you to enter a server name, or a username, username. Now, you can use your name, or if you're going to be a content creator, use your brand name. So if you're, by content creator, I mean if you're creating Discord to use, either you want to have a YouTube app or a YouTube channel or a Twitch channel, maybe you're creating it for your company or for an organization like your kids' little league team or whatever, then you would want to use it's called your brand name. Just get in the habit of whenever you're creating accounts for your brand or your organization, use the same name across all of your social media platforms. It'll make it a lot easier for your fans and subscribers to find their way around. So, Ain't Afraid of No Tech. Now, this might not work. Um, this is actually like the fifth take of me doing this, and I've already created an account under this name 3 times and deleted it. I just deleted the last one 30 seconds before hitting record. So just be aware, this might not work. We might have to come back to this screen, but try to follow along. So you enter your username, and you just click the arrow next to it that says submit. Okay, it's going to let me. It just wants to verify that you're not a robot, that you're actually a human being. Just click that box right there that says I am not a robot. It's going to pop up a little test. So this one, tab over to OBS. Yeah, it is showing it. So it's asking me to select all the motorcycles. I just go through here, select everything with a motorcycle, gives me a checkbox, takes me away. Yay! Next thing it wants to do is just verify that you're not a minor. I believe minors are allowed to have Discord, but it changes some of the settings. I'm not exactly sure how that works. But we're just going to put January 1st, 1980 in there. Hit next. And it's going to ask you if you want to create your first server. Go ahead and click on create my own. So it's going to ask, there's 2 choices for setting it up. It does change some of the initial settings. Doesn't really make a difference for what we're going to do, but it kind of helps them track their metrics also. So you can set it up as just for you and your friends, or for what we're doing here, since I'm trying to build a community around the channel, we're going to click for a club or community. It's going to ask you for a server name. For now, I'm just going to put test server. It's going to ask you if you want to upload a picture. For now, I'm going to skip that, and we're just going to click create. It's going to ask you if you want to start a conversation. We're going to start a conversation in a future video, so for now, just hit skip. And it's telling you your server is ready. So you click take me to my server, and it wants you to claim your account. This is basically just verification. So all you do is enter your email. ain'tafraidofnotech@gmail.com is the site's Gmail address. And create a password. Very simple. Click claim account. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. My email is already registered. It didn't delete my account. Okay, we're going to put this on the trucking web, on the trucking. We're going to put this on one of my other emails just so that we can get through this today, and I'll change it later. Then I'd ask you if you want to get the desktop app. Like I said, we're going to go into the desktop app later. So just click the X up there in the corner and make it go away. Now, you're going to need to verify your channel. So I'm going to go back into Chrome here. Let me get us clicked over there. If it will let me. Is it? Come on, OBS. What are you doing? Okay, it won't let me. So we'll just do it here. I'll create a new tab. Go to gmail.com. And we're going to sign in. Oop. There we go. You'll see an email there from Discord. Just Discord. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to ask you to verify your email. Just click verify email, and you are all done. And since I have the desktop app installed, it's going to want to take me straight to that. So click up here on the home button. Looks like a little game controller. That takes you back to your main screen. If you click up here, right underneath that is your list of servers. Click on whatever you named your server there. It'll be the first icon. It pops up a new window. This is your server website. And if you click right up here in the top left, it says your server name, test server, has a little down arrow. If you click that down arrow and scroll down to server settings, has the gear icon next to it. That's how you can always tell that that's where the settings are. Click on that and we can get into some other stuff. So we're not going to do much in here today. We're going to dig into this a lot more later on. I don't want to overwhelm the beginners. So we're just going to make it a little easier to spot your server. So right here in this big circle here, it says change icon. Just go ahead and click in there and you can upload your channel's icon. Now, I'm going to create the icons for the channel later on a live stream after we get Discord set up. So I don't have any of my channel art created yet. For now, I'm just going to put a picture of me in there. You select your picture, you select open. It gives you a chance to crop out what section of it you want to show. Just click apply, and there you go. And that's pretty much all we're going to get into. It also gives us a chance to change our server name. So I don't actually want this to be named test server. I want this to be named Ain't Afraid of No Tech. That way it's nice and easy for you guys to find it when you're looking at it in your server tray. And you can change your server region. I am in the US West, so we'll go ahead and save that, but you can see you can change it to anywhere in the US, Australia, South Africa, Brazil, blah, blah, blah. So that's it. If I hit escape, or I can hit the escape key or just click the X up here in the corner. Oh. And it's going to yell at me saying, careful, you have unsaved changes. Click Save Changes. Click that X again. And look at that. Now our server name has changed to Ain't Afraid of No Tech. Now, we'll get into more of how to personalize it and set everything up in later videos. But for now, that's all we're gonna do. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a good day.